Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a clean with me video because a couple weeks ago, about a month maybe, I completely reorganized the room, cleaned it all up. It was like clean, nothing on the floor, all perfect, everything. But between that time I went traveling, and so yeah, it got a little dirty. We had an event for my school and stuff. That's why I did not post on Friday. We had a cake auction for my school, and it was like from 8 o'clock in the morning. We went to school, did baking, 8 o'clock in the morning till like 10 o'clock at night. So obviously at 10 o'clock at night, I'm tired out, my feet hurt, my back hurts, everything. I'm not going to post a video and have to film it when there's bad lighting. Anyways, so yeah, that's why I'm doing a video. This Monday, that's more like the Friday Frenzy type. I think I'm just going to be doing, I post on Mondays and Fridays, not necessarily Mondays for makeup, Fridays for everything else. I think I'm just do both like that. So yeah, let's get right into the video, and yeah. Okay, so first things first, I have a bin of laundry right here that I'm going to be putting away. Okie dokie. So now I am done putting my laundry away. Sorry for the bad lighting. It's just not working out. I put my big light up on and turned the one back here off in my closet. Didn't work. I switched that around. It doesn't work. Yeah, I'll get better lighting eventually. But yeah, so my laundry bin is empty. So let's get on to cleaning up the floor. So right now I have some bins that I put by my makeup and spray shelf, which is in front of me by one of my windows, the big one, not the one that you saw in my last clip. But so one of them is my haul bin, which I have some overdue haul stuff in there that I've already hauled, and then I have this one which has overflow haul stuff and soap making supplies, because I make soaps and stuff like that. Let's get right on to it. So the first thing is this box. I'm going to keep that. I did put it today, but it's not hot, so I'll just put it in there. And then I have stuff clothes from Walmart, and now I do have stuff in here from Dollar Tree that I already hauled, so I'm just going to keep that in there for now. That's aside. But then I have more stuff from Walmart, which we combined into one bag. I actually made this dress. It's new to me, but I always do that the same because I'm messy. Listen, that's okay. Then I have some stuff from this brand called Fashion Five. These are some shorts. So I will put these in the other Walmart bag. Guys, so right now I have most of my makeup on my desk, and the cat is trying to come up, but she can't today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna time lapse through putting all my makeup away. So let's get started. thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, give us a thumbs up, something, because I'm trying to grow my channel, trying to make my videos better, more interesting. Leave a comment down below if you want to. Hi Katie, I'm shaking his paw. About what videos I should do next, what videos you like me to do, some trending videos you might want me to do, or something like that. Okay guys, so bye, thank you, and I'll be back next time for my room tour.